What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Today we're doing a little bit of work on Lucille. She's this sexy LJ right here. Today we're gonna do a little headlight upgrade. I picked up some new LED headlights on Amazon. And yes, I did buy the cheap Amazon LED headlights because I'm not about to spend $400 or $500 on expensive LEDs when I need new fenders. So expensive headlights is not on the priority list. But the ones I bought did have great reviews. And you know, I said, why not? They're cheap, and if they're broken or if they don't work, whatever. And here they are. The first thing I noticed when these things came in the mail is you really do get what you pay for, because look at this box. This is how it was shipped, just like this, not taped closed. I don't even know how I got it in the mail, honestly, because the label for the address is folded over. I don't even know how I got the damn thing, but you know what? Whatever. It came. No big deal. No harm, no foul. But they honestly, they don't look too bad. I mean, they look like every other LED headlight on the market. I guess probably the cheap part is how bright they are. I have no idea. But my first impression, minus how they were shipped, they look pretty decent. And for anybody that's interested on which headlights they are, once they're installed and ready to go, I'll put the link in the description of the ones that I bought from Amazon. All right, without further ado, let's get rolling on the install. Wiring instructions. Take the grill off. Ooh. I don't think I have to do that on TJ. I'm pretty sure I don't. No, I definitely don't, because I've replaced the glass on my headlights and I didn't take the grill off. We'll skip step one. That's literally the only step. High beam, low beam, adapters, yeah. Now we're good with those. We don't need the instructions. Well, I guess before we get started, I should probably roll over my little Snap-on knockoff toolbox I bought at Harbor Freight. I don't care what anybody says. They've got good stuff there. May not be Snap-on quality, but I'm a professional mechanic, and so I don't really care. Let's get this thing rolling over. There we go. There, nice little workspace. Oh my God, I almost dropped them. Well, if I dropped them, it was about 60 bucks. That's it. Before I start, I forgot to mention one important step. Whenever you're doing any Jeep project, no matter what it is, you always need beer on standby. Because anybody who's ever owned a Jeep knows that any project can go south really fast, no matter what it is. And beer is just a nice little comfort item to have. And don't forget, if you're under 21, don't drink. I didn't have my first beer until I was 21. Swear to God, Scout's honor. Not gonna lie. All right, I'm about to get to it. Enjoy the time lapse of me probably fumbling through a simple LED headlight install. The first headlight is done. It was actually extremely easy. I mean, a child could do it, pretty much. I only swore a couple times, and that was when I dropped this little kit thing that I have that just dropped face down and I spilled all over the floor. And I didn't even drink half a beer. So other than that, it was pretty simple. It's literally 3 screws. I mean, there's 1, 2, 3 here. That comes off, and then there's 4 that hold the actual headlight in place. There's only 7 screws for this whole job. I don't know why the directions say take off the grill. That ain't gonna happen, because that's just a pain in the ass, and that's where the problems would come into. No idea why it says that, because it's literally just 7 screws for the headlights. So yeah, I'm just gonna get cracking on the driver's side now that I know what's going on, I should have, I don't know why I did before. It's real simple. I think I was overthinking it, but hey, I'll be done in a little bit. Well, the headlights are officially done. Apart from pumping gas, I think that may have been the easiest thing I've ever done on this Jeep. Honestly, it was 14 total screws, and I had to unplug the old headlights and plug the new ones in. Literally, that was it. But I don't know if you guys could tell from the time lapse, I removed a bunch of other things. I forgot when I bought this, I actually had HID headlights. They were actually awesome. They were super bright. And I forgot at one point in the winter, the first year I had it, I was pressure washing it, and a rock kicked off the bumper and shattered one of the lenses. So, and I don't know why I didn't, I don't know what I was thinking. I just put like stock ones back in because I think it was cheaper at the time. I don't remember. But, so I removed all that stuff that was just kind of like extra cables under the engine bay that didn't need to be there. But the new ones, I mean, they're not even on, but I mean, I think they look pretty cool, and they're not even turned on. I like the looks of them. Are they going to be as good as, you know, $400 or $500 ones? Probably not. But honestly, I mean, who knows? I've never owned a Jeep with super expensive headlights, and I never will because there's more important things than headlights. But let's turn them on real quick. Can't really see very well. You know, obviously it's lights on in the garage, but they look pretty good. Yeah, I mean, they look pretty good. I like the looks of them. I mean, it's a different type of light than regular ones. I mean, yeah, they look pretty good. They're definitely, you can tell they're gonna be way brighter than stock headlights just by how they look in daylight. In a few days though, I'll do a quick follow-up video on my thoughts after using them for a couple days. I think I'll be pretty impressed. I think I'm gonna like them. I mean, the reviews are phenomenal on these things. It's like 2,000 reviews on these things, and it's like 4.7 out of 5 stars. And they honestly have better reviews than some of the expensive ones on the market, which I'm not really totally surprised, because honestly, a lot of the stuff, the cheap stuff and expensive stuff, a lot of it's made in the same factory in China. They just put different boxes on them, different labels, and people pay the extra money to have something that's fancy. I'm not fancy. You can tell by, you know, the fact that I drive an old Jeep with, you know, air vented fenders. But that's gonna do it for today's video, guys. And that was just so stupid easy. I didn't even realize it, but I didn't even finish my first beer. That's just how easy it was. I used to have an older YJ that was a rusted POS, and I would go through like a 6-pack just doing the brakes on that damn thing. I mean, that's just how easy the headlights were on this. But for everyone that's interested, I will put the link in the description for the headlights that I bought on Amazon. You guys should definitely check them out, and I recommend buying them just on how easy of an install it was. So thanks for watching, guys, and everyone that's new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and everyone who enjoyed the video, drop a like, a comment, all that good stuff, and I'll get back to the 1 or 2 people that actually do leave comments. So until next time, guys, have a good one.